Fox, black. Marcus Garvey, black. Barack Obama, black. Bill Clinton, black. What you think about that? How a leap of great, some of the greatest people in African history document that. So free up black people, live up black people. I in a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them trap people. So free up black people, free up black people. In a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them trap people. Yeah, my point is, the meek shall never the earth, I mean no matter what the fight is. And it was written long before the 80s or the 90s, before the colonel find the herbs and spices. Black people, don't get caught in a them system. Just overcome and don't become a victim. Cause them system set, for them get the future, only the history will get. So free up black people, live up black people. I in a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them trap people. So free up black people, free up black people. In a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them trap people. Don't forget, you see and bold black. Greatest of the greats, check the record on the track. Asaf, Shelly and Fraser, Merlin, Natty, Ben Johnson and Quarry, me fi tell you about that. Bob Marley, Muhammad Ali and Denzel Washington. Too many to mention. Whitney Houston, Michael Jordan, from the Africa lineage of River Jordan. Live up black people, live up black people. I in a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them trap people. So free up black people, free up black people. In a jailhouse, someone feel like people. Mental shackles and chain in a brain, them trap people.